Good morning everyone. Today we are going to start our unit 3 first lesson, which is Bow Wow. What is the name of our first poem? Bow Wow. So let's see. With the help of these words we will see the poem first, okay? So what is the first spelling? B O W wow. W O W wow. S A Y S says. The dog dog. Next line. Meow meow. Meow meow. Says says. The cat. Okay, so let's read these two lines again. Bow wow says the dog, meow meow says the cat. Okay, after that we will read this third line. Grunt. Okay, see the spelling of grunt. 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 Says says. The hog. Grunt says the hog. Okay, understand all of you? Next line. And squeak. Goes. The rat. And squeak goes the rat. Okay, next line. TU-WHOO. Toohoo. What is the pronunciation of this word? Toohoo. Okay, SAYS says. The OWL owl. Toohoo says the owl. What is the pronunciation? Toohoo says the owl. Next line. CAU cow cow. SAYS says. The CROW crow. Cow says the crow. Cow says the crow. Okay, next line. QUACK quack. Quack. SAYS says. The DUCK duck. Okay, next line. Quack quack says the duck. And last line, which is and WHAT what. CUCKOOS cuckoos. SAY say. YOUKNOW no. Okay, and what cuckoos say, you know. Okay, in this way we will read the poem. After that I will explain you the poem. So student, tell me which are the animals and birds is here. Which are the animals? Okay, so tell me first animals. Okay, cat, dog, rat, hog. Okay, these are the animals. And crow, sparrow, duck, owl, it is the birds. So these are the birds or animals, and these are the birds and animals make the various kinds of sounds. Let's see. Okay, so bow wow says who? Bow wow says the dog. Means Bobo says the dog. So what is the sound of dog? It is bow wow. Okay, what is the sound of dog? Okay, how's the sound? How's the sound of the dog? Bow wow. Okay, what he said, which sound he make? Bow wow. Okay, after that, meow meow says the cat. So what is the sound of cat? How's the sound? Meow meow says the cat. Grunt says the hog. Hog means pig. Okay, hog means what? A piggy. So how's the piggies make the sound? Grunt, grunt. How's the pig make the sound? Grunt, grunt, says the hog. Hog means piggy. Okay, after that, and squeak goes the rat. Okay, so what is the sound of this rat? How he make the sound? Squeak. Okay, it is the sound of rat. Squeak means squeaking. Say he make the sound of squeak goes the rat. After that we will learn next sounds. Okay, to who says the owl. What is how's the sound of owl? To who. Next is cow cow says the crow. So which sound make the crow? Cow cow. Okay, which sound make the duck? Quack quack. And what is the cuckoo said? Coo-hoo. Okay, what is the cuckoo sound? Coo-hoo. Okay, so in this way we will learn this poem with proper rhythm. Okay, bow bow says the dog, meow meow says the cat, grunt grunt says the hog, and squeak goes the rat. Too hoo says the owl, cow cow says the crow, quack quack says the duck, and what cuckoo say you know? The poet said, what cuckoo say you know? म्हणजेच तो जो पोएट आहे, ह्या पोएमचा जो पोएट आहे तो तुम्हाला काय विचारतोय, तर तुम्हाला त्या कुकू कसा आवाज काढते हे तुम्हाला माहिती आहे का, हे इथं तुम्हाला विचारले गेलेलं आहे. ओके, सो लेट्स रीड दिस पोएम with proper meaning once again. Okay, so what is the sound of dog? Bhav bhav. Okay, next, what is the sound of cat? It is meow meow. What is the sound of hog? Means piggy. Grunt grunt. What is the sound of rat? Squeak. What is the sound of owl? It is too hoo. Okay, what is the sound of crow? It is cow cow. What is the sound of duck? It is quack quack. Understand? And what is the sound of cuckoos? Coo-hoo. What is the sound of cuckoo? Coo-hoo. So in this way you by heart this poem and understand the sound of animals. It is actually animal sound बेस्ड पोएम. ओके, म्हणजेच काय, ही जे ॲनिमल्स आपल्याकडे असतात, जे बर्ड्स आपल्याकडे असतात, त्यांचे जे आवाज आहेत ते कोणते कोणते असतात, कसे कसे असतात, त्याच ह्याचं मीनिंग किंवा त्याच ह्याचं सगळं इथे दिलेलं आहे. सो लेट्स सी अँड लेट्स रीड द पोएम वन्स अगेन. ओके, विथ प्रॉपर स्पेलिंग. BOW bow, WOW wow, SAYS says, THE the, DOG dog, bow wow says the dog. After that, MEOW meow, MEOW meow, SAYS says, THE the, CAT cat, meow meow says the cat. Next line, GRUNT grunt, GRUNT grunt, SAYS says, THE the, HOG hog, grunt grunt says the hog. Next line, and and SQUEAK squeak, GOES goes, THE the RAT rat, and squeak goes the rat. Okay, next, TUWHOO too who, SAYS says, THE the, OWL owl. Okay, too who says the owl. Next line, COWK cow, cow. Says, says. The crow, cow, cow says the crow. Next line, quack, quack, quack. Says, says. The duck, quack, quack says the duck. And last line is and what, cuckoos, cuckoos. Say no. And what cuckoos say, Okay, in this way we learn this poem. Okay, so here is look and say. Look and say. Dog, cat, crow. Dog, cat, crow. Hog, rat, no. Here are the rhyming words. Okay, dog, hog, cat, rat, crow, no. Here is the rhyming words, means same pronunciation words. After that we will learn the next question, which is match the animals to their sounds. Match the animals to their sounds. So what is the sound of dog? It is bow wow. What is the sound of cat? It is meow meow. What is the sound of hog? Grunt, grunt. What is the sound of rat? Squeak. What is the sound of owl? It is too-hoo. What is the sound of crow? Cow, cow. And what is the sound of duck? Quack, quack. In this way you solve the question answer of this poem. Okay? Understand everyone? Thank you.